Today's video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to set up VAT add-on printing on the XEA137 or 147 registers. So on the machine is standard. If you've set up the tax rate and applied it to your departments, the tax will be set to add in. That means that if you sell £1 through the register, it calculates the VAT as part of that pound. If you want to switch it to add-on, so when you sell £1 it adds the VAT on the top, then the process is fairly straightforward, and I'll demonstrate it now. First thing you need to do is to turn the metal key round to the Z PGM position, then press the #TMST button here, and then type in job code 69 using the numeric keypad there. Then press the multiply button here, so X receipt switch, press it once, and then you type in the following code, which is basically it's 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you press the subtotal button to confirm and the TLNS to finish. Turn the key back to the reg mode, and then the next time you sell £1 through one of the VATable departments, subtotal, and it's added 20% on. So there you go, it's now £1 into a taxable department, and then a VAT content of 20p because my tax is set to 20%. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. Got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XEA137 and other Sharp cash registers. Some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.